Check it out, WorkPro. Scissors, a scraper, which I should pick up one of those. And then I'm picking up one of these. And then over here, these are badass. You need these for your toolbox. Everybody does. And that, and that, and that. But yeah, that's about it for now. Alright, back at their car. They threw dirt all over their car after they went to the car wash. Let's go over here. Alright, dirt all over their tires right after they went to the car wash. Like, that's some hilarious shit. Only in Oregon do some like half lesbian, half man thing do that.